Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing a poodle. So we're gonna have a head up here, body, legs, and feet. All right, so to start our poodle, we're gonna start with a great big circle like this. And then we're gonna put another circle beside it. And then we're gonna put dot here, and then we're gonna draw some little fluffies for the poodly head. And then we're gonna draw a V like that for the head. And we're gonna draw a triangle for the nose. And a little line coming down like so. So it kind of has a little curve on the end of it. Then we're gonna draw a line coming out, a line coming out, and we're gonna draw some little curvy lines around that. And then we're gonna do the same thing here. Like that. Then we're gonna draw the neck. There's the neck. And we're gonna draw a line down and a line down. And then we're gonna draw some little curvies here, and little curvies, little C's there. We're gonna have a straight line with a letter C upside down, 2 lines. Then we're gonna come across, do that again with 2 lines. And I think I'm gonna fill this, there we go. Then I'm gonna come back here, have a line coming out, up, 2 lines. This is the back leg. And we're gonna draw some curvies here. Another line coming out, up, 2 lines inside of that with some curvies. And we're gonna put that line back down. Then we just have the hind legs. So we're gonna draw a great big line coming like that. So like a letter C or a U. And then we'll have a line coming up. Same thing on this side. Line coming up. And there we go. Here's the ground. Here's her bowl of water, or his bowl of water. We'll call her Pooh. Pooh the poodle. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.